Assalamu alaikum, friends. Are you looking for a fast, reliable, and portable SSD that can easily handle your day-to-day file transfer needs? Well, in today's video, we're unboxing and doing a full review of the ORICO eFOX B5 Plus Portable SSD, which offers 1 terabyte of storage, a compact design, and blazing fast speeds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This SSD is available in a range of vibrant colors, black, blue, and green, so you can pick the one that matches your personal taste and style. It features a sleek and compact design with dimensions of just 69.5 x 46.5 x 13.6 m. Here's the box, and now it's time to open it. Let's get started. There goes the first cut, and the second one too. And finally, the box is open. The box is open. Now let's unwrap the SSD as well. It's time to take out this small yet power-packed device. And finally, some paperwork or a user manual, which, to be honest, most of us never really read. Inside the box, we get a high-speed Type-C cable, which supports data transfer up to 5 Gbps. Here's the box packaging, simple yet informative. On the front, you'll find the product image, model name, and some key features highlighted, such as 1 terabyte storage capacity, 560 MB per s, red-speed USB Type-C connectivity. Talking about the design, this SSD comes with a modern and sleek appearance. The square form factor combined with the smooth, rounded corners gives it a stylish and contemporary vibe. Although the body is made of plastic, the textured finish adds a premium feel and provides a solid grip, reducing the chances of accidental slips. There's also a small LED indicator that blinks during data activity, keeping you informed when the drive is in use. Thanks to the included lanyard, you can easily attach it to your backpack, keychain, or even hang it from your laptop bag, making it a perfect companion for travel and everyday portability. This SSD is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of everyday and professional tasks. You can use it for handling video editing projects on the go, backing up important files from your laptop or PC, accessing and transferring data via OTG with mobile devices, safely storing and organizing your important documents and media files. Thanks to its lightweight and compact design, it's available in multiple storage options to suit your needs: 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and even 4 terabytes. Whether you need it for light file transfers or heavy-duty media storage, there's a perfect variant for you. Now let me share my personal experience and honest review. When I connected this SSD to my laptop for the very first time, I had to transfer a 10 GB video project. And honestly, I was shocked. The entire file transferred in just 40 to 50 seconds. With my old external hard drive, that same file would usually take around 3 to 4 minutes. At first, I thought maybe it was just a lucky moment, but no. Even after multiple transfers, the speed stayed fast and consistent every time. I'm a video editor by profession. I deal with huge file sizes, 4K footage, and tight deadlines almost every single day. One day, I had to deliver a client project, and I had very little time. It was a rush, but this ORICO SSD literally saved the day. Fast transfer, no lag, no delay. Just smooth performance. One more thing that really stood out to me is that this SSD doesn't heat up. Even after using it non-stop for 2 to 3 hours, the temperature stayed completely normal, no overheating at all. And yeah, one day, it accidentally fell off my desk. I seriously thought it was done for. But when I checked, everything was perfectly fine. No speed drop, no corrupted files, nothing. That's when I realized the build quality is genuinely strong. So overall, this SSD hasn't just met my expectations, it's exceeded them. If you're thinking about getting your hands on this powerful and portable SSD, I've got some great news for you. I've added a special purchase link in the description below, and through that link, you'll get an exclusive discount of up to 20% on your order. Whether you're a content creator, student, or or someone who just wants fast and secure storage, this is a great opportunity to buy at a reduced price. So don't wait, click the link, grab your favorite color and storage variant, and upgrade your storage game today.